Hello, Shukriya.
Hello.
How are you today?
Good.
Okay, are you excited? Today we are going to do some crafting. Okay, Shukriya?
Yes. We will make a carrot.
Great. We have cut some windows for our car, Shukriya.
Yes.
Which color are we going to do them?
Blue color.
Blue color?
Yes.
Shukriya, this is a very nice car. Hooray!
Yes. See, it's for car.
Shukriya, what are you making now?
Fish.
Okay, I think the fish is missing an eye.
Yes.
So you got the glue. Shukriya can stick the eye now.
Yes.
Oh, it got a purpley eye.
Yes.
Very nice, Shukriya.
A fish for fish.
That's a lot of glue.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Shukriya, is your jellyfish crying or smiling?
Smiling.
It has got a smiley face.
Yes. J is for jellyfish.
Shukriya, you got a very sparkly and shiny umbrella.
Yes. It's for umbrella.
Wow, Shukriya, it's a very nice watermelon. Do you like watermelon?
Yes.
Yes? Wow, you did a very good job, Shukriya.
W is for watermelon.
Alright, Shukriya, we had a very fun day today. Now say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.